Today we came to visit Rodini Park, which is located a few kilometers from Old Town, and it's a nice little park where you can see some small waterfalls, gooses, ducks, and also some fish. So let's take a look around. We will start from the end of Rodini Park, and let's take a walk to the starting point. As you can see, this place is a little abandoned. It has a really good potential, but it needs some cleanup. I think this is the park where you can come if you want to have a little walk, enjoy some nature. As you see, some big fish here, also duck or goose there. Nice little waterfalls. It is the middle of November at the moment, and as you can see, I'm not wearing my sunglasses anymore, and I also put some long clothes because it may be 21 degrees outside, but it's a little bit chilly already, but still it's better than winter in Estonia, so I'm really happy about that. I wanted to say that after the season ended here in Rhodes, everything changed completely. All the shops are closed except the old town shops, because they extended the season for 1 month because of the fires, and also basically the old town shops are open because cruise ships are coming still, and that's why they are open. As you can see, it's not the easy walk, because it needs a little bit cleanup here, and lots of birds also. I hope they don't attack me. Let's try to get past them. I think I have to go from another side this time. For the past month I have been working a lot on my day job and also building my website where people can buy skincare products and perfumes and gift sets from known brands, and I can only offer Europe logistics at the moment, but I try to expand this. So I have a special offer for you. If you visit shinyderm.com, and you can use my special code at checkout, which is Rhodosest, and it's valid unlimited time just for you, because you are my viewers and you support me a lot. So this is my way giving you back if you want to buy good products with almost at wholesale prices. So go shinyderm.com and check it out. I will improve this webpage every day, and I also have over 1,600 products online at the moment which people can buy. So go check it out. It's actually nice to see that someone is cleaning up here. So I think it's work in progress at the moment, because otherwise this place feels like abandoned. Actually, it's a really nice park, but needs a little bit attention, cleanup, and it's really nice where you can come and walk around, enjoy some nature, some waterfalls, and so on. Let me see if I can go down there near the water. If you go and travel around the world, I have a little request for you. Please don't throw trash, because it's really ugly to see, and especially when you come to Greece. They are not really good at cleaning or placing garbage bins everywhere, so at least try to find a garbage bin, because it takes forever to clean up. So let's all keep some nature and clean cities. It doesn't require much from you, just at least try. It's the middle of November, the season is over here in Rhodes, and all the shops are closed, and most of the people are gathering to the places which are open yet, to the local people. So in my next videos I have something prepared for you to show you some monasteries around the island, and also we hope to go on a hiking trip also soon with my wife, so it's gonna be an exciting trip. Again, if you didn't see our last video about hiking, then go and check it out. In my next videos I will show you around the city, how everything looks after the season. Mostly it looks like a ghost town, but I will show you anyways, because it's totally different than in summertime, where everything was so busy. So I really thank you for watching. Go and visit shinyderm.com and use promo code Rhodes if you want perfumes, gift sets or skincare products at wholesale prices. The code is valid unlimited time, so feel free to use it, and this is my way of giving back to you as my viewer. So see you at my next videos. I got home, and it's not always sunshine and rainbows here in Rhodes. As you can see, we have a heavy storm. There are some stuff that is flying around, and quite heavy rain at the moment. I think this is the winter in Rhodes.